I wanted to show you the right way to seal up a foundation for when you're running footer pipe. This actually was a garden bed, and I know that seems crazy. I mean, why would you put a garden bed right over your tile? Anyways, we came in and I see guys all the time telling homeowners, take a tar or this bucket of rubber and brush it on and roll it on, and that's waterproofing your foundation. That is not waterproofing your foundation. That's damp proofing. There is a difference, and I know these guys mean well. I do. I know their passion is there for sure. One of them happens to be a pioneer of the yard water drainage, and I have a lot of respect for how hard he works. So I'm not trying to take a shot at anybody here. I hope even the older guys are open-minded and willing to learn from this. So again, if you look in our code book, if you're a licensed builder, you know this because you covered it in your material. But again, just brushing on tar or a rubber coating, that's damp proofing, and you just can't stick visqueen to tar and consider that waterproofing either. So you want a membrane. A membrane is waterproof. That's waterproof. So what we do is we take a primer and you paintbrush a primer on, and the product we use and love is called Mel-Rol. So it's Mel-Rol. So you can, well, here in Michigan, I buy it at Boomers. You got to go to a contractor store. It ain't in Home Depot or nothing like that yet. Should be, hopefully, one day. But for homeowners, go ahead and Google it. Find out who your local dealer is for Mel-Rol. You got to buy the primer. You put the primer up on the foundation. You want to clean the foundation. You want to power wash the foundation, and you want it dry. A lot of times in fall weather, like we're having right now, this cool weather, we'll take a torch. Actually, we got the torch right here. So we'll take a torch and we'll dry the foundation once we power wash it, because we don't have time to hang around and wait for a sunny day. We got to get the job done. So that's how we do it. So that's a membrane. That's waterproofing right there. When you have a membrane up against the foundation, that's waterproof. Not damp proof, that's waterproof. And since this is going to be a garden, once again, which is pretty crazy, I'd never plant anything over tile, what we went ahead and did is we're actually using PVC Schedule 40 because we're going to have to run through this yearly to clean all the roots out of it. And how we ended up with a piece of Schedule 40 with the drain holes in it, we just took the triple wall pipe that you can buy. This is really meant for a septic field. This was a round 4-inch piece of triple wall, and we cut it and we used it as a template so that we could get our holes perfect, because they're supposed to be 45-degree angles. So that's how we did that. For more tricks and tips for yard water drainage and tile, subscribe. And if you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.